Mga kaibigan, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Cagayan de Oro City! Palakpakan mga taga-Cagayan. Diba? First time po namin, I think I'll be speaking in behalf of the whole team, that this is our first time in Cagayan de Oro. And what a delight! What a pleasure na kami makarating dito sa inyo. At sana hindi ito ang huli. Kung hindi, ito ang umpisa pa lang ng maraming pagbalik dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Palakpak naman po! Diba? Wow! I have never in my life at maisip ko that I will be able to witness the beauty and the peacefulness of Cagayan de Oro. So maraming salamat po sa pag-welcome ninyo sa World Travel Expo here in Northern Mindanao. Ako po ay si Jenny. I am the official MC of the World Travel Expo here in Mindanao, of course, in Visayas and also in Manila. At syempre, akin ang iimbitahan kayong lahat. Kasama din po natin ang Wanderers Connect. Yan po ang media, isa po yan sa media channels of the World Travel Expo. Every Saturday, you can catch us on YouTube or FB via Media House Express, or you can just log on. Gamitin nyo lang po, i-type nyo lang Wanderers Connect every 12 noon until 1 every Saturday. At dyan po ay pinag-uusapan namin ang lahat ng bago about the World Travel Expo. So moving on with our activity for today, Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. Maraming salamat po. The World Travel Expo officially sets its compass. Can we throw down the music just a bit? Thank you. Sets its compass toward Northern Mindanao. At ito na nga po, we are gearing up with our press conference today, right here at the New Dawn Plus Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City. The event kicks off the lead of the region's first hosting of the World Travel Expo here in Northern Mindanao, which is scheduled for, sino makakapagsabi? There you go. July 25, 26, 27 at Ayala Mall's Centrio. At napakaganda po ng inyong mall, of course. With tourism leaders, local businesses, influencers, and media in attendance, the launch highlighted the event's theme, which is Discover Beauty and Explore Freely, and showcase the rich tourism offerings of Northern Mindanao. Cagayan de Oro's strategic location and unique energy were praised as key drivers for the Expo's expansion into the region. Alam niyo po, marami pong magagandang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, pero ang Cagayan de Oro, I think, dapat ngayon mag-shine na rin parang Davao. Okay, this is a significant milestone, sabi nga po ng aming big boss, our lady boss over here. We fondly call her Miss M, but she is Miss Miles Caballero, the event organizer of the World Travel Expo. Northern Mindanao, let me quote her, Northern Mindanao is full of untapped potential, and we're here to celebrate that by bringing in exhibitors, launching travel promos, and inspiring people to explore freely. The upcoming expo is set to feature massive travel discounts and promos. Naglalakihan pong discounts galing sa ating mga exhibitors at sponsors. Na sa World Travel Expo nyo lang po makikita yan. Exclusive po. So ibig sabihin, on a regular season or regular time, hindi po yan available sa mga exhibitors. Local and international exhibitors, interactive zones and travel games, family-friendly exhibits and raffles, opportunities for partnerships and collaboration. At dyan na nga po tayo magkakatulong-tulungan mula Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao dahil ang World Travel Expo lang po ang talagang pinagbubuklod ang buong region or buong archipelago ng Pilipinas into one. Because 7,000, sabi nga ni Mr. Lim, high tide, low tide. Depende. Sa dami po ng isla, libo-libong isla na nandito po sa ating bansa, aba naman, baka maubusan at sumakot ang internet sa dami ng magagandang lugar dito sa atin. So this is the first time Cagayan de Oro will host the country's exciting travel expo. And let me just add to that, not because I'm part of the team, but we are the biggest travel expo in the Philippines. We have been going around Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, marking a turning point for Mindanao's growing role in Philippine tourism. So, palakpakan naman po natin at Asia Events Group, OPC, led by Ms. Miles. At dahil po dyan, allow me to promote the other schedules po of the World Travel Expo. And let me add po to the information. World Travel Expo is already on its 9th year. And parati ko nga po sinasabi sa aming programa sa social media. Hintayin niyo po dahil next year, mas malaking pasako, mas malaking mga giveaways at mga discounts ang dadalhin sa inyo dahil isang dekada na po ang World Travel Expo. Palakpakan naman dyan. It's something to look forward to. And we are so happy that Cagayan de Oro will be part of the biggest celebration next year. So tapos na po kami sa Iloilo. Naganap po yan noong March 14, 15, and 16 sa festival. At noong namang Mayo ay nasa Davao kami noong May 30, 31, and June 1 sa Ayala Center, Abliza po, dyan sa ating kapitbahay sa Davao. At ngayon ay nandito na kami sa Cagayan de Oro ngayon July 25, 26, and 27. Pagdating po ng August 15, 16, and 17, we will be hitting again Central Visayas, Ayala Center, Cebu City. And then, by the last quarter of 2025, we will be back in our home. Of course, World Travel Expo Year 9 will be at the Space in Juan Ayala, Makati City by October 17, 18, and 19. And the last for 2025 will be at the Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, November 14, 15, and 16. Ayan po. So, wag po kayong magsawa na i-promote kami. Ayan, salamat, sir. Okay, so ayan po ang aming schedule for the rest of the year. Okay, and for Cagayan de Oro, ang aming pong commerce center ay walang iba kundi GCash. You know, GCash not only promotes the GCash app or service, no, they also have G-Insure, which is a travel app. So, yan po, you can avail of that instantly dun sa booth ng GCash sa World Travel Expo for just 5 minutes. Tapos may pa-premyo ka habang kayo naghihintay. May mga pa-games pa sila dyan. And they also have the GCash card, no? It functions like a credit card. So you can also avail that in the GCash booth. We are supported and endorsed by the Department of Tourism, the DOT Region 10, Love the Philippines. And our official hotel partner and residents of the entire team, New Dawn Hotel Plus Business and Wellness. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shona. Nako, palakpak naman dyan. Siyempre, hosting us also for this afternoon. In cooperation with the Wanderers Connect and Media House Express. Our official connectivity partner is Converge, ICT Solutions. And then we have, of course, media partners Net25, Pop Davao, and SMNI. Ayan. Ngayon, pag pinag-usapan naman po natin ang ating mga exhibitors, baka po kayo ay nagtatanong, sino-sino ba ang mga kasali dito sa World Travel Expo? Para po dito sa Cagayan de Oro City, we have Metro Bank, RCBC, Union Bank via Philippines Travel Corporation, Ashley Express Tours, Las Casas Filipinas de Amsar, Smartway Travel and Tour Services, J-Park, Island Resorts and Water Park, Candaya Resort, Elcrest Travel and Tours, B Hotels and Resorts, Amaya View, and Ugo Travel Services. And may umabot pa, UHX Travel. Ayan po. So you have so many to choose from. We have properties coming in from, like Las Casas is coming in all the way from Bataan. Alam niyo po ba na meron na nag-link from Manila to Bataan na it will make travel time, I think, less than 3 hours. No? So ang bilis lang po dun po sa ating sa may bandang coastal area. Ayan. So it is bound to be a very exciting event for us here at Centrio Mall here in Cagayan de Oro. And syempre, mas pinasaya pa this afternoon kapag marinig niyo po yung inyong mga pangalan. Salamat po, daghang salamat sa inyong pagpunta. We have, of course, the support of our Gateway Digital Media partners, bloggers, and our friends, of course. Maraming salamat to Cagayan de Oro today. Are you here? Kaway-kaway naman dyan. There you go. CDO Dev. Are you here? Hello po, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon. Ayan. Alam niyo po dito sa Visayas at Mindanao, may oras po kayo, no? Kung kailan sasabihin niyo, Ubtu, Adlaw. Kaya minsan po bago ko sumampa, sasabihin ko, ay na ba? Ubtu na ba? Adlaw. Kasi baka magkamali ako. CDO Lifestyle, where are you guys? Ayan. Kadampan, tama po ba? Digital. Hey, hello, sir. Ako, walang sawa si sir kanina pa naka-live stream. Okay, we have our social media influencers, bloggers, and vloggers. Wonderful Cagayan. Oh, kamusta dyan? Turuan mo kami kung saan kami pwede mamasyal. Yung mabilisan mo. Kalaagan JG. Ayan, where are you? Woo! Ganda naman. Laag ni Kier. Oy! Kamusta kayo dyan? Trip ni Tonyo. Hello po. Ito, medyo dahan-dahan masasabihin na medyo masela. Kento Travels. Alam mo mga boys, Kita-kita-kita nyo eh, kayo talaga. Taga-tumageti-magit. Metro City or PH. Woo! Nagawa ko na naman, mga bossing. Baka gusto nyo kami turuan sa kami mamamasya. First time namin, are you here? Oh! Clyde Vlog. Ano yan? Papunta pa lang si Papa Clyde. Pop Davao PH! Woo! All the way from Davao. Sa newspapers naman, we have Mindanao Daily News. Woo! Business Week. Hi, sir. Sunstar Cagayan de Oro. Magandang hapon po. Gold Star Daily. Hello, ma'am. Sa radio stations, we have IFM, hindi ba? Alam mo po, talagang gusto ng DJ. Talagang gusto mag-apply sa inyo. DXCC, RMN Radio. Hello, ma'am. And we have from the TV network, we have Net25. Hello, ladies. Kayo ba kayo sa Davao? Hindi, di ba? O, puro ladies ang maganda ng mga Net25. Palakpakan niyo naman po yourselves. Thank you for taking time out to be with us this afternoon. Alam ko busy kayo because you're always chasing the news. So I couldn't prolong the agony any longer, but meron pa akong good news, syempre. Mamaya po, I'll be giving out raffle prizes. Ano-ano ba yan? Ayan, meron tayong gift certificate from Camp Holiday for a 2-day and one-night stay. We have Sogo. Ayan, yung mga madalian, yung mga coverage. 24 hours to yan, ang gift certificate na yan. And syempre, kailangan natin ito kahit saan tayo magpunta. GCash na tigbo 1,000. Matagal-tagal na buhay na, di ba? Anli. And syempre, from Elcrest, ako, galing kay Sir Chris. Ayan, meron tayong mga mugs. May pamigay. Later on yan. So, this time, mga kaibigan namin sa media, I'd like to present to you our boss, our lady boss, the woman behind the World Travel Expo, mga kaibigan, the managing director of AdAsia Events Group, OPC. Put your hands together for Miss Miles Caballero.
Good afternoon, Miss Miles.
Maayong hapon.
Ngayong hapon.
Sa inyong lahat. On behalf of AdAsia Events Group,
Welcome and thank you for joining us at the official press conference for the World Travel Expo at Northern Mindanao. Our first ever expo in this vibrant and inspiring region. About the World Travel Expo. For 9 years, the World Travel Expo has been connecting travelers and dreamers with destinations, deals and discovery from Manila to Cebu and Davao. We've been growing, and today I'm proud to say we've arrived in Cagayan de Oro, the gateway to Northern Mindanao. Why Cagayan de Oro? Because the city is more than a gateway. It's a destination in itself, a center of friendship, adventure, and opportunity. Whether you're chasing waterfalls in Ligan, trekking the highlands of Bukidnon, or island hopping in Camiguin, this region has it all. And it's time we let the world know what to expect. From July 25, 26, and 27, we will be at Ayala Mall Centrio. We'll transform into a heaven of wanderers, featuring exclusive travel deals, interactive booths, cultural showcases, and local exhibitors, ready to welcome travelers from near and far. To our media friends, tourism leaders, and local partners, thank you for being part of this moment. Let this press conference mark the start of something exciting for Northern Mindanao. Together, let's discover beauty and explore freely. See you all at the World Travel Expo.
Thank you, Ms. Miles Caballero, the Managing Director of AdAsia Events Group, OBC. So there you have it, mga kaibigan. Now, let's go to our panels and let's request our panelists to greet our media friends as I introduce them. So let's start off with two beautiful ladies from Amaya View, Ms. Cynthia May Ramilla.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for inviting us to the World Travel Expo for 2025. We're so happy that one of the business resort industry in Cagayan de Oro. We would like to invite all also to come and see the beautiful place and adventures in Amaya View.
And of course, joining Ms. Cynthia from Amaya View, we have Ms. Danica Babe Galavito.
So, good morning everyone. I am Danica, the Events and Sales Officer in Amaya View. So, first of all, I would like to say thank you to the World Travel Expo for inviting us. And we are excited for this collaboration. And also, Amaya View has a lot to offer. Not only the region tech, but hopefully in Luzon and Visayas also. So I'm excited for this partnership. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Danica and Ms. Cynthia from Amaya View. Yes, of course, we are hoping that you'll be able to join us in the Manila run of the World Travel Expo. The owner of Elcrest Travel and Tours na nakasama ko na sa Wanderers Connect. Thank you, sir. Face-to-face na tayo ngayon. Mr. Maychris Braga.
Hello po, magandang hapon po, maayong adlaw, kagayan mga higala. Welcome to Cagayan de Oro, World Travel Expo, ma'am, and hello po, ma'am. I am Maychris Braga. I am the CEO and owner of Elcrest Travel and Tours. Our main branch in Soc Sargent area. We are DOT accredited, and this month or next month, open po yung branch natin, yung office natin, ma'am, dito sa Cagayan de Oro sa Uptown. Woo! Yes po, and magsasalita na ba ako, ma'am, or ano, or
Mamaya.
thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Chris. Alam niyo po to si Sir Chris, kasama ko po siya sa Ka-Wanderers Connect. Meaning, ang Ka-Wanderers po Connect po ay isang media or channel or arm ng World Travel Expo wherein feature, ayan, yung ating mga exhibitors, no, para po ma-promote nila ang kanilang mga property. So that's one of the avenues wherein we promote our exhibitors and our sponsors, of course. And syempre, Speaking of sponsors, the official residents and host of the Arab Asia events being the organizer of the World Travel Expo is UDON Plus, our hotel bronze sponsor and official hotel partner. And it is represented today here by our operations manager. Palakpakan po natin, Ms. Chana.
Hello, good afternoon and mabuhay. Mabuhay everyone around here. We are honored to accommodate the team of our World Travel Expo team headed by Mang Miles. We are very happy in Cagayan de Oro City nga giabot gyud mo diri. So very helpful to us in our industry to add our hotels and restaurants to other places. So mabuhay ma'am and welcome. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Chana, the operations manager of UDON Plus Hotel. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan na meron pong tinatawag na roof deck ang hotel po ng UDON. At balita ko na, mamaya may acoustic daw. Oh, ayan. Nako. Yes, nako. At napakasasarap po ng mga drinks nila dyan. So if you have nothing to do on your weekends or weekday, or kung napasyal kayo dito sa Cagayan de Oro, check out the roof deck bar. At may mga acoustic nights po tayo dyan na magaganap right on the rooftop or the penthouse of UDON Plus Hotel here in Cagayan de Oro. Kitang-kita ang magaganda namin. You know ba, kita rin po namin yung overtime na napakaganda namin nag-run kanina kahit na matindi ang init dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Mas paiinitin pa natin yan because now I am opening, of course, our floor for the Q&A. Ayan, syempre po, for our media friends. I will give you now the floor. We have a microphone, so you will help me, and of course, I will also go around. Yes, ma'am. Yes, oh, yes, Converge is our official IT provider. Also with us. Hi, ma'am. Yes. Oh, Miss Melody, please join also the rest of our panelists. Ayan, kasi good news dahil Converge is our official IT provider, which is very important, no? Lalo na sa mga travel agency. Yung mga booking nila on-site dyan kasi sa kanila talaga ang booking nangyayari. So, we are so happy that Miss Melody is here with us. Ma'am, can you please give the microphone? Yeah.
Ngayong hapon mga higala. Good afternoon for the benefit of our visitor from World Trade Expo.
World Travel.
World Trade
World Travel.
World Travel Expo. For the team that is hello friend. Yes. So this is one of the many event of World Travel na si Converge po ang partner, and we are very pleased to have them here in Cagayan de Oro, and we are looking forward for more partnership with them. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Melody, and I'm sure maraming good news ang Converge in terms of yung mga installation naman, may be in your home, residential or commercial installation. So I'm sure they will be giving a lot of discounts during the event itself, so we will watch out for that. Once again, Converge is our official IT partner and provider for the World Travel Expo. So mga kaibigan ko sa media, let us now open the floor for your Q&A with our panelists. We have a first question. Oh, sino ba? Sino? Senyor Ito. Oh, sige sir, go ahead. We have a mic over there.
Alright, right before I ask the question, I would like to read in my homage, like my heritage. Mayong hapon, mabuhay kung madayaw, ikan sa dakbayan sa Davao.
Mayong hapon.
Yes, I would like to introduce myself. First, I am Carlo here, digital, all the way from Davao City. And I would like to ask to Ma'am Mildred, with regards with your first incarnation for Northern Mindanao's World Travel Expo. What are the expectations for our fellow Cagayanos and non-Cagayanos that they would likely to have better offers for our travelers in and out of the country?
Of course, yun muna, since this is our first time
In Cagayan de Oro, no, we would like also to educate our exhibitors and visitors that will be coming. Kasi this is our first time, this is our actually parang introduction ng travel here in Northern Mindanao. So, both of us, pero of course, both of us may expectation. Of course, ang number one dyan, return of investment sila because we want to bring in more visitors to avail of their travel packages. One.
Follow up na in the coming years and also the next year for some other editions of the World Travel Expo, what will the expectations for our fellow Filipinos who would like to share with their travel experiences, especially with all of those travel packages and hotel rooms that they are in store for our fellow sponsors in the near future?
Of course, we want to get more exhibitors pa, no? Yung hindi pa naka-experience in promoting their companies. So we want, of course, with the help of the media, we want to promote more of this kind of events to other regions as well as we move to our 10th year. So if ever may mga invitation kami from Cavite, from Northern Luzon, so we would like to explore that also. Since naka-focus kami in right now in Mindanao, also in Visayas. So we want since World Travel Expo is in Manila, we want to explore also in Luzon area.
In the diligence of our media friends from Cagayan de Oro, I'd like to give my last question to the exhibitors, especially the official hotel.
Yes.
Of course, I'd like to ask any of them can answer my question. How's the feeling that being one of the participants for the upcoming World Travel Expo, and what will our, of course, Cagayanos and non-Cagayanos to offer with your precious services and packages that are in store for our tourists? Any of you can answer?
Okay, for us in Union Hotel Plus, we are really very honored to have this World Travel Expo. In the first place, I'm sure it helps our revenues by their way of promoting us, and then in such a way also our hotel, we also giving a plus rate discount at this moment. So the World Travel Expo, I'm sure they can also bring it up to other places. So other packages we can give, like the events and other seminars, which we can cater. We have a large of function rooms and small function rooms. And along the city of Cagayan de Oro City, the start of the city, we are the, I think as of this time, we're the only high-rise building where our rooftop can cater all of the nightlife, chilling. So we are also inviting you all to visit our W restaurant.
Where am I at?
So, thank you for that question, sir. So, as we know, Amaya View is just 20 minutes here from the city. And Amaya View is one of the tourist spots that you can see everything. Like, especially, like our Noah's Ark is newly renovated. We have new animals, reptiles, and also not only Amaya View offer a zoo, but we cater events, day tours, team buildings, and accommodations. Yes, we have our Kumbo, which you can see the 360 view of Cagayan de Oro, the downtown and the uptown area. And we also have our harbor Harper's Bistro and Stock Bars. So I hope everyone can visit, and if we have in future partnerships, especially our vloggers and our travel agencies, we can give you discounts for it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Alright, so as a new travel agency, especially here in Northern Mindanao, because we operated our travel agency in Soc Sargent area, in Midsaya, North Cotabato. So kakasimula pa lang namin dito sa Cagayan de Oro, and ang dami po namin very excited na makilala po ang pangalan namin as Elkers kasi nga bago pa lang siya, and we are so happy na nandito yung opportunity ng World Travel Expo para ma-expo din yung ma-expo talaga yung pangalan namin, yung company namin, because we are partnered sa lahat ng mga travel operators, local and international. So direct po kami lahat ngayon sa mga promos na i-offer namin. So sobrang mura din po ng mga packages namin. So thank you so much.
We have another question from the first table. Sir, with the yellow cap and
good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen. So my question would be for organizers Miles. Ilan po lahat exhibitors for the city ulit? And ano po yung ino-offer ng mga exhibitors? Nationwide ba ang scope ng travel na ino-offer nila, or Mindanao-wide, or they also offer international tours? Or if there are international tours, saan destinations? Meron po mga cruises or land-based mga tours?
Yes, ito po, comprised ng mga hotels and resorts. Like, Udon will be showcasing their services during the event as our official hotel partners. Si Amaya View po, yung kanilang resort sa Amaya. And then, si Sir Chris sa Eltres, meron siyang local and international travel. So, hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas yung pinopromote, also going outside the country. So, meron sila mga deals na mababa during the event. And then, we will be bringing in J Park Island Resort from Cebu. So, they will be, of course, they have a good deal during event kung magkano yung pagpunta mo sa J Park in Cebu, Mactan. Also, they have Alona na hotel in Bohol. Aside from that, we have Via Philippines Travel Corporation. Via Philippines naman is offering, they are parang a B2B app na for those who are interested to open a travel agency, you can apply to them. So, may business din po dito na involved. Of course, meron tayong mga banks na nag-offer para you can avail of a credit card para if you want to travel or avail any resort and hotel that you would like to avail during the event, you can get it at good rate then. So, we also have the resort coming from Cebu, and also some of the travel agencies aside from LPS. Yun na po. So, mga 24 to, I think 28 exhibitors will be showcasing, pero we still need exhibitors coming from Cagayan de Oro talaga. Kasi mostly yung mga ibang mag-showcase dito coming from, yun nga, we have Las Casas Filipinas de Acosar. If you're familiar dun sa Widows War na teleserye ni Bea, that's the Casas Filipinas de Acosar. So yung parang Filipino heritage na mga bahay, mga old houses. Yun. So they will be coming in here also in Cagayan de Oro to promote Las Casas Filipinas de Acosar. So yun po, yun ang mga few lineups ng mga exhibitors. Of course, GCash. So minention na ni Ms. Jen kanina, si GCash will be offering G-Insure. But aside from that, you can avail of a card. Instead ng 250, you can get it at 200. Tapos meron na kasi si Gcash na G-Travel. If you check your Gcash na app, meron na siyang G-Travel. So pwede mong i-avail yung mga like hotels doon na tapos doon na payment. And then meron din mga flights, parang ganon. So all in one. So meron na rin si G-Travel na ganon na in-offer. And then also we have an Vacation Club. Sila naman yung from Thailand. You can avail 4 person around 11,500. If you want to go to Bangkok, Thailand, only 11,500 for 4 person, 4 days, 3 nights, may transfer na rin yun. So yan yung mga normal na i-showcase namin during the 3-day event.
So aside from the ongoing public, meron ba po kayong business matching within the stakeholders? For example, yung resort na from Bohol or Cebu, mag-collaborate ng isang travel and tours to offer packages. Meron po ganun na mag-meet kayo doon sa
Yes po, yes po. Sila na exhibitor, sila na rin yung mag-uusap about it. Pero yun nga, may tigil-tigil sa silang mga booth. So, meron naman din po silang mga packages na in-offer at a low price. So, kung ano po yun, naka-incorporate na rin po doon. I think si J Park would be, meron silang deal na parang may transfer na from the airport. So, they can pick you up na for free yata. So, you can arrange that from them.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you for that question, sir. But to add to my boss's answer to that, the World Travel Expo, mga kaibigan, one of the primary objective of the event is actually pagbuklo rin ang buong Pilipinas, i-promote sa ating mga Pilipino ang ganda ng bansa natin. Hindi ka na talaga dapat lumabas pa. Dahil hindi in your lifetime, I don't think any one of us would be able to travel the entirety of the 7,100 islands. What a shame. Kasi ang gaganda talaga. And some of these islands are left unexplored. The World Travel Expo aims to unite the entire Philippines and to discover the beauty of our own homeland. But of course, we also feature the international market. Dahil syempre, tayo mga Pinoy, ang mentality natin parati. Kung kasing mahal din naman palang magpunta ng Siargao, kung para sa Hong Kong, na ako. Diba? Pero sayang, kasi walang ganda ng kamigin sa Hong Kong. Pati yung dagat din. It was really good. Di po ba? But not only does the World Travel Expo showcases the beauty of our homeland, ito rin po ay sinashowcase din ang iba't ibang serbisyo ng isang biyahero o isang ka-wanderer na katulad din natin. Di ba? After the pandemic, talagang travel revenge lahat eh. YOLO, di ba? Ito na yung buhay ko eh. 50 plus na ako eh. Ilang pa bang bansa ang mararating ko. So, we also showcase the services. Meron po kami dyan. If you visit us in Manila, we have mga luggages. Siyempre, kailangan. Kung kailangan may luggage ka. Yung matindi para hindi ka mataniman ng kung ano. Mga ganyan po. Tapos, we also have, yes, the travel insurance. We have the travel agency, which not only offers packages for families and solo viajeros, but they also offer processing of your visas. Diba? They also offer yung mga fly now, pay later. Siyempre, mabigat mag-travel, di ba? And then we also have the insurance. The travel insurance group is also with us. And then we have our cashless payments in the form of GCash. And then we have our internet providers. So, Manila po, meron din kami mga exhibitors na ino-offer yung mga packet wifi. Ay, di po ba man? Meron din po kami yan. So, lahat ng pwedeng kailanganin ng isang taong magbabiyahe in and out of the Philippines, makikita niyo sa World Travel Expo. So, maybe in the next few years, we will be able to really gather all these people na talagang magiging one-stop shop na lang ang World Travel Expo. Okay? Thank you, sir, for that question. And let's move on to this group. Ito sasamahan ko dahil ito pwede ko ituloy na sa pagalit. Ay, dito, sir. Para tayong may big bike.
Okay, sa airpress na lang. Kasi, since World Travel Expo is dito na sa Cagayan de Oro, meron pa kayong mga packages na at least makapromote yung mga tourism sa Cagayan de Oro, since mostly sa mga in-offer Palawan, hindi wala sa Cagayan de Oro, at least man since World Travel Expo is nandito na sa Cagayan de Oro, might as well na promote din yung mga tour packages na within Cagayan de Oro din na tourism.
Yes, sir. Kagagaling ko lang ng DOT Northern Mindanao sa Tikay, and then yun, nakipag-usap ako, and then in-inform ko sila na magkakaroon ng World Travel Expo, and then one of the representative in Cagayan de Oro, tinanong ko din yung World Travel Expo, if meron na bang from Cagayan de Oro na nakasali o nakaregister na yun nga. So ako lang ma'am sa Cagayan de Oro, para ako pa lang. So, ngayon, since ako pa lang, sir, no, so yung mga packages ko is, yan yung mga offer ko. Actually, may mga promos na ako para Bukidnon Tours, kasi malakas ngayon ang Bukidnon. So ngayon, since yun yung tatabuhin namin during our World Travel Expo sa Centrio, may mga packages tayo na within Northern Mindanao naman. Yun na, nag-courtesy na ako ng DOT Northern Mindanao na para mahingit yung mga circuits nila dito sa Northern Mindanao para ma-promote natin. Yes po, sir. Gagawin ko natin yan.
Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Joel. So, to Ma'am Mildred. Ma'am, you mentioned na naghahanap kayo ng mga exhibitors from Cagayan de Oro. For, as of now, ilan po ba yung mga exhibitors from CEO? And for my second question, ano po ba yung, kumbaga, economic impact ng Expo sa host city, which is Cagayan de Oro or sa region or Mindanao?
Of course, economic impact. We will bring in, of course, more visitors, no? Na mag-a-avail ng mga packages. Kasi kailangan strengthen yung tourism natin dito. And also other parts of Northern Mindanao. So, yung economic, goal. Of course, sila pala ang companies na based dito sa Cagayan de Oro na nag-join. So, as I mentioned earlier, meron tayong mga exhibitors. Yung huli, UHX coming from Cebu, pero travel agencies from Cebu. Of course, sila mismo, siguro they want to try the market of Cagayan de Oro. Para if ever, maglagay din sila ng branch dito to promote Northern Mindanao. That's why they are very curious to join the World Travel Expo here in Cagayan de Oro. So aside from LPS, yung ibang travel agencies coming from Visayas will be joining in also. And ayun nga, some other destinations, aside from Amaya, we have the J Park coming from Cebu, we have the Candaya Resort also from Bantayan Island, Cebu, and also CB Resorts, Mactan will also be joining, aside from Newdon. So, of course, we still have some slots, yun nga. So, gusto namin makakuha pa ng base dito, aside from the hotels and resorts also, na be part of the event.
Thank you. We have a question from that table. Si Sir. Tapos, Tina.
Good afternoon. I'm Marcel Marif of PCC Mindanao. Medyo self-serving ako. I have a question to Amaya View. Now, what's your expectation in supporting this World Expo event? And during the 3 days event, ano ba ang mga promotion? Dahil Amaya View kasi is one of the world-class tourist destination in Cagayan de Oro that we are we proud of, no, as Cagayanon. So, anong ipopromote mo yun doon sa 3 days na workshop?
Thank you for the question, sir. May expectation namin na sumali kami dito sa World Expo namin. Is to promote the Amaya View. Kung sino hindi pa rin nakapunta from Luzon and Visayas and Mindanao. To show we have amusement park and then also our venue and accommodation that you can enjoy, you can relax, even if we have problems in life, you can go from far away from the city to chill out and with not also in yourself only, to your friends and your family also. Na parang kung feel mo na ayaw mo na sa crowded, you can go to Amaya, you can relax there because we have natures, and then also you can have some adventures there, just like for example, we have paragliding, tapos may giant swing, and shorten namin na zip line. And then also, sa hindi nyo alam, ngayon si Amaya View is more talaga na may susunod na mga adventures na parang sabihin nyo na lang na, ay, hindi na ako pwede pala pumunta ng dahilayan. For example lang po yan, ha? Or, lang po. Ay, hindi na kailangan punta ng ibang lugar. Kasi nandito na po lahat pala kang Amaya. Parang ganun po. Sorry for that. For example, thank you very much, sir.
So, yeah, it's name drop. So, to add posters that are one of our expectation of this expo is that to collaborate with especially travel agencies because sila naman yung magdadala ng mga guests, especially guests outside from the region. So that is our target. Kasi if sasabihin natin na yung target na namin is mga Cagayanon, they already have been in Amaya View. So we are expanding our guests into outside the region, outside Mindanao, because Amaya View has a lot to offer. We have the life-size Noah's Ark na kinuha talaga namin yung concept ng Noah's Ark na include yung mga animals. Also, we have our accommodations, which is typical Bahay Kubo, which is the Pinoy house. Also, we have our Hobbit house. So Hobbit House is from the Lord of the Rings movie, the Hobbit House. And yes, yung Cinderella said na we have a lot more planning, more adventure, more activities. Kasi maghahanap naman talaga ng bago yung guest natin. So Amaya View is already preparing something for the next few years. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Last question for the organizer. Can you give us some bird's eye view of the 3 days event? What is happening there aside from this matching, aside from the big discounts because it's Expo? So we have some unprecedented promotions and other activities. On that 3 days span, ano talaga yung mag-isa-isa natin na mga activities on that days?
Okay, so sa activities po, we have also presenting yun nga, yung Mindanao Fashion Week. Yung mga kids po na of course coming from Davao, they will also be showcasing here of course, beauty ng Mindanao through dances, cultural dances, and also yung mga outfit nila during travels, yung mga ganyan. So aside from that, each and every exhibitor will have their, of course, time sa stage to present all their products and services, and also their face to face to their client. Meron silang time sa stage to promote. And also, we have mga AVPs din po na papalabas coming from our sponsors and also some of our exhibitors, not just here, pero from other deck as well. Yung sa Cebu po namin ng mga exhibitors, so they can join me through showcasing their AVPs.
This is of course open for public.
Yes, opo. Wala po yung entrance. So, open po siya. Sa mismo activity center po ito ng Ayala Mall Centrio.
And to satisfy my curiosity, na-mention kasi kanina yung next year's World Travel Expo will be the biggest travel expo ever, no? Na i-hold. Saan ito? At ano yung para yung adrenaline natin makamit?
Sir, the biggest, kasi of course in Manila pa rin yung biggest, no? The reason why we mentioned that it's biggest, we want to explore to more regions aside from Northern Mindanao. So we want to penetrate also, since we were coming from the NCR, we want to penetrate also the part of Luzon. Kasi na-conquer na namin yung Western Visayas, yung Central Visayas, and also we just finished the Southern Mindanao. Actually, that our third year na in Davao Southern Mindanao. So this is our first naman sa Cagayan de Oro. So it will stay na yearly we will hold the event here also. So we want to explore more regions that we can hold the event. Kaya po, mas events po.
Parang national convention.
Opo, parang ganun po. Yes, sir. And then, baka po, also we're planning kasi na we will be having the parang yearly travel awards for our exhibitors.
Hi po, good afternoon. Ano Jane Duhay-Longsod for Miss Miles. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Ma'am, ano po ba yung suporta na ibinigay ng Department of Tourism knowing na first time po dito ang World Travel Expo na dinala sa Northern Mindanao?
Actually, 9 years na kami. So, ayoko namang maging political itong natin. Pero, we've been asking the Department of Tourism is helping us through connections lang, no? Walang monetary support. Pero we are very thankful kasi through connections we can get these exhibitors asking for their database para ma-invite. So we are endorsed naman by the department. Of course, legal yung pag-hold namin ng event. So ang ini-endorse din namin, lahat ng accredited, as much as possible, lahat ng accredited ng the department. So yun po yung nakukuha namin support. Pero 9 years na kami, we don't get any monetary. Kasi we are a private entity. Siyempre, medyo kami because ang sinusupport ng department is yung association. So we are not an association, we are a private entity. So on our own po ito, and through the help of our sponsors and exhibitors, that's why nag-roll yung operations namin because of the help of our partners and of course exhibitors din.
Full support po yung
yes.
Okay, another question po ma'am. As years goes by, no? So ano na po ba yung as observation for 9 years? Ano na po ba yung travel behaviors and preferences today compared nung pandemic, before pandemic happened?
Actually, economic-wise, talagang mas very active noon ang travel industry. So, syempre, medyo yung natin during pandemic. Pero of course, ang dumami kasi yung digital yun nga, nagkaroon din ng maraming scammers. So, lalo na yung mga, na sa scam online ng mga nagbubukas na travel agencies. Tapos
biglang nawawala na lang din. That's why we are still promoting this kind of event. Kasi mas maganda, katulad nila Sir Chris, napopromote sila. Alam ng mga buyers na legit silang company, hindi sila tatakbo. Kasi normally dyan, they will ask for a down payment. So, of course, pwede kayo humingi ng resibo sa kanila para alam nyo na hindi kami natatakbo. Tapos kilala nyo si Sir Chris. O alam niya yung mukha niya. I mean, kung online kasi, transaction lang, o sige sa mga wallet lang natin. Tapos sabi, ay wala na yung wala na yung FQ page ng company, yung walang accreditation. Alam mo yun? So maraming na-scam after nung ating pandemic. Maraming nagbukas na company kasi travel revenge nga ito eh. Pero ang dami rin na-scam na hindi na nila pinapaalam kasi nakakahiga. So yun, we're still promoting that kind of na mas maganda talaga. We have this kind of expo. Nakikilala niyo yung mga new companies, yung mga, especially sa travel agencies, doon nagkakaroon ng scamming. So yun po, yun yung number one goal ng World Travel Expo.
Lastly po ma'am, last question. Ano pong comment niyo na mas mahal mag-travel sa Pinas kaysa sa abroad?
Yun nga ma'am, yun nga yung nakakatulog. Oo, yun nga. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba. Kahit kami, di ba? Kahit pag ano ka, even sa mga pag-away mo ng mga plane tickets, minsan magugulan ka kasi, ay, mahal mo na lang ng Cebu ganito. Tapos, yun nga, yung pagka-travel mo ba, minsan, mas nakaka-stress siya. Pero ang inisip ko nila, ay, masaya yung pupuntahan ko. Pero, yun nga, hopefully, the government will help us, especially, kasi alam ko naman, marami na rin burden, sisig frasco dito. Pero, yun nga, hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng magandang program for the department na dito lang sa Philippines, makalibo tayo na hindi ganun kamahal. Oo, na of course yung family parang vacation lang, tapos punta ka lang doon, hindi ka at least kasi parang ang daan lang kung nawala sa'yo, kaya compare na nagpunta ka na, actually ngayon, masurato mo punta ng Vietnam at saka ng Thailand. Instead of going to Siargao or Cavite, kasi mahal yun ang pamasahe going here, di ba? Parang gano'n. So yun lang, we have to continuously promote. So we need your help also in this kind of situation we have right now into our tourism here in the Philippines.
Thank you.
And
Good evening po, and good evening to everyone. First question to ma'am. As what you have said earlier, ma'am, na WTE or World Travel Expo is now 9 years of existing. And sa Cebu, Pilipinas, or here at Northern Mindanao, na ang mga agency na naghahatid ng travel packages, mga discounts like sa mga offers ng WTE. So how can you assure or what are the best offer for presenting WTE na mo dyan ang pilion sa mga tao na nawala sa ilahan pero naa sa inyong mga? Tagalog. Ay, translator.
sorry.
Okay lang ka.
ChatGPT.
Sa Pilipinas po, ma'am, or dito lang sa Northern Mindanao, may mga ibang travel agencies po na nag-offer din ng mga travel discounts or travel packages promos like sa offer ng World Travel Expo. So, ano po yung edge niyo, ma'am? Compare po sa ibang travel agency na kayo po na kayo piliin ng mga tao when it comes sa
Well, actually, we are not a travel agency. We are a MICE organizer, yung meeting incentives, conventions, and exhibitions. So we're focusing more on travel. So ang pinopromote namin, itong mga companies na, kasi kami yung organizer, we put everything into one venue. So nandyan yung mga resort, may mga booths sila, may mga resort hotels, may mga travel agencies. May mga essentials for the when you travel, like insurance nga, Yun lang, yung sa airline, hindi namin masyadong nang pinopromote ang airline because pwede ka na mag-online for, hindi ka naman mag-stop ng airline when you go, Pero what we're promoting is like sila care service ang mga hotels because katulad ng mga travel agencies, they have package na deals, no? Inaano rin namin sa mga thinking ng mga Filipinos yung doing DIY, especially when you go outside the country. Mas maganda meron kang menu when you travel. Kasi I'm a traveler also. So ang hirap kasi pag nag-DIY ka, pag nagpunta ka doon sa country na yun, at susunod mong gawin, ito na ako. Tapos minsan, tatamarid ka, nandun ka lang sa hotel maghapon. Hahanap na lang ako ng makakainan nearby. Parang wala kang paano kaya ako pupunta dito? Siyempre, may language barrier pa tayo. Unlike yung, may travel agency ka, pagdating mo doon, meron ka ng tour guide na mag-guide sa'yo, meron kang sasakyan na bus, ang naka-ready ang pagkain mo. Pupuntahan mo yung mga places na hindi mo na pupuntahan, nandun na sa itinerary mo. And then they will help you also for those countries na of course yung visa mo, wala kang visa, they can help you na rin assist in pag mag-a-avail ka ng visa mo. So yun po yung maganda sa pag-educate namin in this kind of event sa mga visitors natin na pupunta. Aside from availing the deals. Si Sir Chris also.
Kasi yung question mo is pang travel agency talaga. Kasi yung question niya is yung edge na namin, marami din mga travel agency sa labas, makikita natin na nag-offer ng mga promo packages na ganun po. And extend ko lang din about yung DIY na sinabi ni Matt. Now, sa travel agency, lahat naman po talaga is very same naman talaga travel and tour operators or travel agency. Parehas kami nag-promote ng mga tours, especially local and international tours. Kaya kami as travel owners, as travel agency, palagi kami nag-iisip kung ano yung mga new marketing strategy para, syempre, mas makakuha namin yung market. Depends na on how we're going to market our promos. Nagdepende na lang yun kung paano kami ka-aggressive sa market. Yun. So, as a travel agency ngayon, as a bagong travel agency, as Elvis Travel and Tours, so, nag-join ako ng mga ganito para mas makilala at para mas legit, sasabihin nga ni Ma'am, and mas may credible. Yun yung, nilalaban na lang namin mga yung credibility. Kasi parehas lang naman kami. Kapag DOT accredited lahat, well, parehas kami DOT accredited. Another ma'am is the services. Paano namin i-handle, especially the local ma'am. Sa local ma'am, lalo na ako, I've been in this business ma'am since 2018. Then, nag-start talaga ako as tour guiding. And ako talaga yung yung edge ko naman ma'am, bakit bumabalik yung mga client ko, is ako yung nag-tour, aside from my tour guide in the local area, ako yung nag-accommodate talaga ng guests. So any concerns nila, limbawa, minsan ayaw niya ng room niya kasi na mainit, yung aircon lang ang problema. So yun, as travel agent ma'am, kinukuha ko yung loob ng mga customers ko, it's okay sir, we'll change your room. So parang gano'n na, kaya doon bumabalik yung mga customers ma'am. Yun, kinukuha namin. And aside from that ma'am, yung DIY naman, na sabi ni ma'am is parang discourage natin yung DIY. Well, okay naman yung DIY because maganda yung DIY. Kaya lang yung DIY, maganda siya sa millennials and the mga Gen Z, magaling sila. Kami ma'am, as travel agents, based on sa record ko, yung mga nag-book sa amin is hindi millennials at yung Gen Z. Yung mga above na, yung mga mama nyo, di ba? Yung mga lolo nyo, kasi ayaw talaga nilang ayaw nilang mag-DIY. Now, ang binabayaran nyo, yes, medyo mahal ang travel agency. Aside sa DIY, kasi budget yun eh, pwede kang mag-book ng hotel nyo ng budget. So ngayon, as travel agency, yung binabayaran nyo sa travel agency is the service, yung hassle-free, na hindi ka na mag-iisip, hindi ka na. Kasi ano nangyayari, minsan sinasabi ko, sir, ang mahal naman ng ticket nyo, ang mahal naman ng services nyo, bakit mas mura sa system, magdadirect na lang kami sa Cebu Pacific, magdadirect na lang kami sa direct sa airline. Now, the question is, what if magka-problema yung booking mo. What if magka-problema, magka-delay, saan ka ngayon magkakontak? Hindi ka pwedeng magkontak sa amin as travel agent. Now, ang kagandahan, the advantage of the travel agent, magka-problema yung booking mo sa Cebu Pacific, ngayon, saan ka direct magtatawag? Sa amin agad, kasi direct kami makakatawag, agad-agad, any concern, 24/7, unlike sa airline mag-i-email ka after next day, re-replyan ka. Tama po? Another, yung services na wala sa DIY, of course, is yun. Binabayaran nyo dito is yung mga services, yung mga hassle-free na local, at lalo na sa international. Ako-experience ko din yung international tour. Parang, ayaw mo na, kasi tamad ka na. But the best part, kapag gumagamit, yun, ini-educate din namin yung mga travelers, kasi ang dami sa YouTube sa Facebook, TikTok, na ito yung gagawin. The best part, kapag nasa travel agency sila, is guaranteed lahat since pagbaba sa airport, and then, alam mo yung, may experience din naman nila yung pangalan nila na nakasulat ng buwan, welcome! Ganun, kasi sa DIY mo lang magagaling sa'yo, ma'am. Diba? Minsan lang, pwede mo mag-bookar, so may mag-welcome sa'yo, may mag-assist sa'yo sa bag mo. Isa sa pinaka-importante, lalo na sa international tours, kung mag-DIY ka, ikaw yung magbibira talaga ng bag mo, maghahapon ng bag mo. Sa travel agency, lahat nandiyan na kasi kasama siya. So you are traveling, nagtatravel ka na para mag-enjoy, nagtatravel ka para you want hindi mas stress. So sa travel agency mo yan, masusubukan, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Previous years na pinaka-US
kasi for the first 4 years na Manila-based kami. So, lahat ng expo namin, Manila lang, and then annual doon. So, after the pandemic, sabi namin sobrang saturate na ang Metro Manila sa expos. So, parang monthly na lang, may iba-iba yung organizer. So, paano magkaroon ng sariling distinction si World Travel? We go outside the Metro Manila. So, we try the regional. Ang naging maganda because first experience is Cebu and Davao. So, naging successful yung two regionals na yun. Kaya, nag-explore kami ulit. So, sa Manila, since this is our 9th year, meron dalawa sa Metro Manila, and then we explore Iloilo as a part ng Western Visayas. So, and then ngayon, ito na yung Northern Mindanao. So, we want more. We want to explore more regions and promote and educate each and every Filipinos about traveling. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Nancy Munoz from Ayat Environmental Endo. To converge, ma'am, may facilities ko ba tayo na okay yung internet natin during the expo? Kasi alam naman natin ngayon is high-tech na tayo, ma'am. Whether we like it or not, talagang dun sa Facebook or sa live niyo po, tumitingin yung mga tao, halimbawa ngayong araw niyo mag-start. So, pagka may use na ng mga media dito at mga vlogger, mag-monitor yan sa FB kasi parang nag-monitor din sila kung anong mga choices nila, local ba or international. But how about that internet that time? We cater po ba if may mag-book through online?
Thank you, Ms. Benzie. For the connectivity during the event, I think we have been a partner of World Travel for quite some time now. This is just the first time it's Cagayan de Oro. So we really assure that during that time, wala tayong interruptions. There will be a standby technical team, if ever, kasi we do not know, there are things that is beyond our control, but rest assured that during the event, just as the main events in World Travel, meron tayong naka-standby na team for aiming, just in case may mga problema tayo in our connectivity. And I think we have a different connectivity plan offers for events like this. Thank you.
Follow-up po, kay Ma'am Nasret and to Sir May Chris.
Kasi ako mahilig din ako mag-travel outside. And I know na big opportunity po ang Expo kasi maraming freebies. Aside from that, may discount. Now, yung trauma na lang sa mga gusto na, mga kababayan natin gusto mag-travel kasi alam naman natin na budget sila. First, ano po bang kailangan nila dalhin or pagkapupunta din sila doon, gusto magpabook, ano po ba talaga ang dapat i-prepare nila? Para ngayon pa lang, preparado na sila or kaya mag-load in advance. Kasi nung ako, nag-book ako nung Expo last year, pagka magpa-book ka for international, may 5,000 pesos ka na reservation. Parang ganun din, may freebies, may raffle, parang ganun. So this WTO PE natin ngayong 25 to 27, ano po ba may registration fee or may reservation fee, local or international, para din po, para maisisip natin sa budget plan nila.
Yun, ma'am. Normally yan kasi sila mismo hindi pa nag-bigay sa amin kung ano yung promo nila, no? So, mas maganda, I think sila yung tatanungin natin kung ano yung magiging promo nila during event para at least kami rin po, ipopost din namin sa social media ni World Travel Expo yung gagawin nilang promotion. Pero yun nga, as I mentioned earlier, for GCash, they will be of course, offering a 200 pesos if you want to buy the card. And then they have the G-Travel na that they will offer. So, mas maganda, register kayo doon. And also yung G-Insure. For if you want to travel, I think mababa lang yung babayaran mo. I think 100 pesos for you to avail of a G-Travel to wherever destinations you plan to go. No? And also, yun nga, yung Anantara naman, parang 11,500. You have a 4 days, 3 nights with transfer na sa Bangkok, Thailand. So I'm not sure lang yung mismong hotel. Pero, yun nga.
For one person naman?
No, for 11,500.
For 4 persons?
4 days, 3 nights.
Ano na yan? Lunch area lang yan arrangement?
Lunch area. Hindi kasama yung ano. Parang
yung airfare.
Hindi
pa kasali yung airfare?
Hindi pa kasali yung airfare. So, titignan mo na lang.
Sulit pa rin yun, ma'am.
Sulit pa rin siya kasi parang yung hotel mo 4 days, 3 nights. So, I think maganda yung lugar. So, hindi ko pa lang pinapuntahan.
Maganda.
Anantara Relation Club, you can check on them during the event. Nandito sila. So, yun. Ayun, ito, sisimulan ko na kay Sir Chris kung ano yung promo niya during event.
Yeah. Parang teaser
Sure,
lang.
thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Ayan, ma'am. Usually, ma'am, yung mga paano mag-book, no? So, kasagaran, inabuhan is, ano man, among down payment, pag local tours, for only 1,500 or 2,000, yes, reservation 1,500, 2,000 or 1,000 pesos. But during the expo, at least 500 pesos, ma-reserve na nila yung mga gusto nilang local tours. 500 pesos. So, prepare na lang 500 pesos na. Now, for the international tours, ma'am, usually ang international tours naman is nami with airfare, napod mi wala airfare. Pero ang kanilang yung Cagayan de Oro, nagbulag pa promo karon nga kanang mag-direct flight. Kaya wala pa yung direct flight ang Cagayan to Hong Kong, Cagayan to Singapore. Wala pa yung airline nag-offer sa tuwala, ma'am. So, ang mga offer na mo is Cebu. Cebu to Hong Kong.
How about Davao?
Yes. Sa Davao, daghan direct flight sa Davao. We have Hong Kong, direct flight Davao to Hong Kong. Ang flight karon or ang airfare karon Hong Kong to Singapore, pag mo-promo mo, regular price, 12,000 to 14,000 back and forth na to. So, sa Singapore. And naapoy direct flight, Davao to Thailand. So, ang promo naman sa Thailand, nasa 24,000 with airfare na na. 4 days and 3 nights, Bangkok and Pattaya. With airfare na na. 24,000. Yes, so kung ang ingon nila kanina 11,000 for the 4 days, 3 nights, not airfare. Yes, ikaw, ang gusto bayan, kung with airfare siya, that's only 24,000. Inclusion, airfare, round trip airfare, 3 nights accommodation or 4 nights accommodation, breakfast, lunch, and tours. Yes, ma'am. So, down payment. Thailand, one.
Pattaya
Batayan ba? Okay? Pero usually pag inanang tours, basic tours na siya, ha? So, dili siya atong mga grabe yung kahagog na tours. Kaya naabot may hagog na tours. Like, alas 7 pa lang, ako na mo sa orang sa hotel, kaya taga oras na, yung tingnan ng itinerary. Pero kayo na promo, at ko alam nyo ang mga sikat na sa Bangkok, sa...
Free day ba? Free nga
pag inana siya ma'am, wala siya free day.
Nag-tour guide.
Nakoy na discount, group tours na siya ma'am. So inani siya. Tapos nakoy good news sa inyo para sa mga mahandog mga upload. Okay. Kasi, ayaw pa tayo before, na solo traveler siya. And pag first timer ka, na traveler, tapos mag-solo ka, advice na ako ayaw mag-Thailand. Labi na, yes, pag solo traveler ka, tapos mag-Thailand ka, first stop mo is Thailand, delikado siya, 50-50 siya, depende sa yung documents. Babae. Kaya kung ang babae na solo siya ma'am, na-upload siya. Now, the best part, ang advice na ko is, mag-join mo group course na mo. Thailand, we have group course. Korea, we have group course. And the best part lang kanya siya. Sa Korea, may visa. And pag di ka ma-approve, di ka ka to Korea. The best part sa amuha is, we have guaranteed group e-visa. Na minimum 2 pass para wala kay group tour ginawa pa siya ma'am, minimum 2 pass. Okay ka siya. Gusto mo mag-snow. So, lahat tayo available sa winter, December and July, and February, snow na siya. For only 30,000 pesos. 30 to 35,000.
Korea.
With round-trip airfare sa Korea, with 4 nights accommodation, with meals, with 9 na lunch, and entrances and tours. So, mana siya, January pa na siya, pero ang reservation na to ay na. Kasi dali na ka, sa reservation, kung kailangan. So, ang amount ba na naman, pag naka sila sa World Travel Expo, kaya ang reservation is 18,000 pesos, almost 50%. Kaya, group, ano mo na siya mga pag-orok ang slot, din na nato makuha. Pero, maghatag sa inyo ang coupon during the Travel Expo sa mga interested na maghatag may pinaka-days na at least igulit nila, wala siya available na money na pwede siya magbayad dahil at least ma-block ka na mo yung schedule dahil kung saan na slots ang iyang kuha. And for international tours, during sa Travel Expo ma'am, at least muhatag siguro kayo at least 1,000 pesos off. Okay lang mo na? Okay na siguro sila, diba? So at least 1,000 pesos off. Exclusive anak na day.
Pero bilang magigapat sir.
Sa Hong Kong, okay, sa Korea, we have 31,000 to 35,000 depende sa day.
So 18,000 na reservation.
Ang reservation.
How about other countries?
Okay, sa Korea, kasama ng visa. So, yes ma'am, kasama ng visa. Tapos, another, ma'am, we have Hong Kong, yun nga, yung mga flights natin is dito sa Cebu to Hong Kong. We have the Bio 2 Take 2 na Hong Kong promo na mo. Very good siya sa family. Example, mag-asawa, tapos 2 ka anak. Tapos, karon, katong 2 ka anak, medyo mahal yun ang bisikilan, mahal yun ang Hong Kong. Pero good news kasi ang promo is nasa 27,000. Ang isa ka person, buha lang ang bayad na. So total of 54,000, papat na sila. Pero wala pa na airfare. That's for only land arrangement, hotel, and Disneyland. So ang airfare nasa 12,000 pesos back and forth. So ano nga, promo, ano nga day. Yes, pinali siya ma'am. Ang airfare na mo, labi na sa Hong Kong, hindi na mo siya din-attach. Kaya depende sa iyang travel dates. Kasi sometimes ma'am, ang approach ako is, sir, next week, like Carol, I have Singapore tomorrow ang travel. So, amo siya wala ang airfare, kaya mahal man ang ticket pag doon lang ka mag-book. Okay, so, siparit siya. Pero ma'am, i-check na mo ang date ninyo anak ng airfare. Depende sa date nila anak. So, ang amount with airfare na program is Korea, China Tours. Wala ninyong China Tours with guaranteed visa. Ato ang China.
Group visa.
Yes, group visa guaranteed. With airfare na siya ma'am. Lahat tayo, Hong Kong with airfare for only 12,000 pesos. Tinuod di siya ma'am. Nagkaka-comment sa ako sa page na tinuod ng 12,000 or 14,000. Yes, because this is a project with the China government. Pero dili siya, wala siya Disneyland. Upat ka city, 5 ka city sa China na atong atuhan. Canton, Shenzhen, Hong Kong mag-drop or mag-arrival. So, 12 to 14,000 out Cebu or Manila. Napit Davao, okay lang. So, yan na siya lang. And, yes ma'am, magdala lang sila ng mga ID. Kaya at least, mag-prepare with gold voucher po sila, nga lahat po sila sa expo.
Sir, bigyan ito Indochina, Quezon City.
Singapore.
Indochina.
Indochina is Cambodia, Vietnam, and Thailand. Kasi, napunta yung Twin City, Singapore, Malaysia.
Magkano, sir?
Ma'am?
How much?
Singapore,
Twin City.
Singapore.
Twin City, sir. Twin City.
For Singapore, nato, Twin City, Singapore, Malaysia, land arrangement is at least 28,000. At airfare ni ma'am, naka siya sa 14 to 16,000 baht for out city or out town.
Ang Indochina.
For the Indochina, so lahat tayo 8 days and 7 nights Indochina ma'am. Dahil lang po yung Vietnam, without airfare, it's 35,000. So, para ma-check na itong airfare, maghatag sa mga travel days na lang ma'am. Live tap, ano nga day, so mag-checking ka sa airfare, so marami lang, kaya makuha yung reach out tayo.
For clarification, wala kayo labot ang atong Lagindingan Manila or Lagindingan Cebu?
Yes, wala kayo labot na okay, baka matay direct line dun sa Lagindingan. Hopefully soon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I have a question for Ms. Miles. Thank you for coming to City Hall, your 9th year. And my question has something to do with what Sir said earlier about international flights. City Hall and Northern Manila does not have traditional flight yet. Was it a hindrance or a challenge for you to consider City Hall your 9th World Expo, because City Hall does not have international flights yet?
It's a challenge. It's a challenge because Lagindingan is still an international airport. So we want more flights that will be, of course, coming dito sa CDO. So yun po ang challenge. So kung natutuloy po namin yung mga expo na ganyan, we're promoting. So dadami at dadami rin po ang magiging flights natin dito sa CDO at saka dun sa, of course, sa Northern Mindanao. To explore the Northern Mindanao. So yun po, encouraging more tourists that will be coming here.
Okay, for the interest of time management, I'll throw in my last question, Ma'am Mildred. Because I have went to several places within Northern Mindanao, including Iligan and Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Are you open for some other places that has not yet launched for the World Travel Expo?
Of course, sir. So we want more, I mentioned to sa group ng UNED25 at saka SNNI to get more exhibitors. Actually, hindi pa kilala or kilala natin na hindi sila masyado na-educate to this kind of event. So we want them to be part of our Travel Expo.
Thank you.
Okay, so there you go. Maraming salamat po. Last call for one last question. Once again, our thanks to our panelists, headed po by Ms. Shona Antimano, Operations Manager of New Dawn Plus Hotel, our bronze sponsor and official hotel partner and residents of AdAsia Events Group OPC or the World Travel Expo, owner of Elcrest Travel and Tours, Sir May Chris Braga. Maraming salamat po. From Sales and Marketing of Amaya View, maraming salamat Ms. Danica Babe Galamiton and Ms. Cynthia May Ramita. And from our official IT partner and provider for World Travel Expo here in Northern Mindanao, Converge, Miss Melody Kalunga. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I have one more very special good news because we will be launching the Content Creator Challenge for all our media friends. And ang prizes po for the third prize, 3K. For the second prize, 4K. And for the super first prize, 5K. Ayan, habang po kayo nag-merienda later, I will be announcing the criteria that kasi it's a mouthful now. But we will be starting that challenge for all of you media friends here, mga Cagayanons, ngayon pong araw na to. So it will just be, the criteria I think is the number of shares and likes, no, posted. And views, okay? So while we're having our merienda, we will, I will be announcing the criteria. The deadline po will be on the third day of the World Travel Expo, July 27, 2025, 11 a.m. sa Centrio Mall po to. So you can claim your cash prize right there on the stage. We will be announcing the winners. Okay, so good luck to you, to all our media friends. And of course, raffle prizes in store for everyone. We have the gift certificate from Camp Holiday, 2 days and 1 night stay. And syempre, kailangan ng ating mga media friends ito, no? Gift certificate from Sogo, 24 hours, dahil marami tayo on the run. And of course, we're also giving out GCash worth 1,000 pesos each winner. Ayan. Tapos, AT&L Crest Travel and Tours mugs courtesy of Sir Braga. So if you haven't placed your cards, calling cards, and meron pang pledge. Today, the prize in Miss Melody. Go ahead, Miss Melody. Go announce. What is the prize? Free installation now. Free installation for the rest of July, until July 30. But of course, we'll be giving also a Source to Sawa line that is free 1 month internet. At ito na po yung mag-load after that. But that is free installation. Free internet for 45 days actually, not 1 month. So, pag sino na book na videos, bigyan niyo sa akin yung details pa-install namin bukas. Wow! Thank you! Okay, one winner last one. Okay. So from Converge, our official IT provider and IT partner for World Travel Expo, we will have one lucky winner from our media friends, which will get a Converge free installation and free 45 days na internet. 45 days. At i-install na yan kaagad tomorrow ni Miss Melody. So palakpakan po naman natin. There you go. And before I usher in, of course, our merienda, courtesy of our official hotel partner, Udon Plus, I'd like to invite everyone. We will pass around some wine. Ayan. Because this is our first time in Cagayan de Oro. Of course, kailangan we open it up with the bag. So we'd like to invite everyone to our wine toasting. Ayan. To usher in the new birth or the new event here in Cagayan de Oro, the World Travel Expo. I'd like to ask all our media friends to join our panelists here in front para maganda yung pag-toast natin to the new start or new beginnings of the World Travel Expo here in Northern Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro City. So let's ready the cameras for our pictures. Right after this po, our buffet for our merienda will be open. And please do not leave yet because I still have to announce the winners of our raffle prizes. We will be throwing it out later on. And if you haven't placed your name or kung wala po kayong dalang calling card dahil electronic na tayo ngayon, ayan, you can fill up the stop at the registration table and drop your name on it, on the box. our usher will be going around with that box. This box, you have to put your calling card here at the registration table. So everybody have their wine with them. Kayo po ang media, saan ang mas magandang angulo? Yung lahat kayo nandito o may tutukan po tayo? Para maybe here, semicircle, para tapos wide na lang ang inyong camera shot. I will place myself here in the dulo. Okay, are you ready with your glasses? What about on this side? Dito po sa side natin. Here, in front of me, maybe we can have some of the ladies from SMN.
For balance.
Yeah, para balance. Some of the men, the ladies over there. Here. Ladies.
Mga ladies.
Yung mga barako, yung mga ladies. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, cameras. Dapat naka-wide kayo. Sir Asher, baka gusto mo maging cameraman, maybe one of the guys here can give you their cell phone so that you can help us in capturing this. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say cheers to the new beginning of the World Travel Expo here in Northern Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro City. Cheers! Congratulations, World Travel Expo! Woo! Kampay! Isang malakas na palakpak naman po for the World Travel Expo's new beginnings here at Cagayan de Oro City. Woo!
Bottoms up!
Bottoms up. And of course, don't forget po, New Dawn Plus has the top view right here. And we have acoustic nights tonight, di ba, Sir Rudy? Isa daw na naka-bottoms up, huwag niyo pong galawin. There you go. Bigyan mo naman ako ng nag-request pa ako kay Sir Rudy. Once again, our thanks to New Dawn Plus. Please visit the top view bar at the penthouse with a view of Cagayan de Oro's nightscape. Thank you once again. A round of applause, please, for the World Travel Expo.